Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to turn off text-to-speech in Apex Legends so the game stops reading chat messages aloud. First, launch Apex Legends and go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Gameplay, and then scroll down till you see Accessibility. Here at the Accessibility tab, you can go down to the very bottom where you can see Text Chat as Speech. What you have to do next is simply clicking this off, and also click the one up top off. And after that, text-to-speech will be turned off. Back out of settings and join a match. The game should no longer read chat messages aloud. This is useful if the voice is distracting or if you just want a quieter and cleaner audio experience. That's it. That is how to turn off text-to-speech in Apex Legends.